Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from the World's Dirtiest Workshop. We're going to test my new solar light on my tool shed. So we're headed over towards the tool shed. Oh, there we go. You know, I am easily 25 feet away. That's about what I had set the light for. That worked. So clearly the solar panel is working. It's catching the sun just right. It's charging well. This light should go out in a minute or so. And then if I approach the door over here, the bionic light should sense my heat and turn on. And it did. Okay, so that's about 12 to 15 feet. Okay, so now you can see the ramp and the door, and everything's really cool. So that was a success for automated lights that are charged by solar. Really terrific, and that solar panel really doesn't stick out that much. So great job for me. Thank you very much for watching me, Christopher Thunder from the World's Dirtiest Workshop. Bye-bye.